Welcome everybody to the channel, coming to you with some FLR network. I wanted to come and cover this. I got to looking at DeFi Llama on FLR, and I was like, man, pretty good TVL, still sitting pretty good, but we're going to cover all that, but I'm going to get to it. The price is set at 0077. We've been on this new day right now, 2 hours and 16 minutes. We can look at the price. It's up 0.91% on the new day. We came down, tested the bottom of the fib retracement at the 1 at 00725. And right now we have pushed our way back up to the top of the fib retracement. We went all the way up to, let me see if I can, 00798. And up here we've hit this twice. It's like a level of, it's a area of a resistance up here that ranges from the 00798 down to 00792. So we pulled back, we came back down in this area of support right here. This is our support resistance channels right here is what we got here. This is our resistance channel up here at the top that's in the red. It's highlighted in the red. This below the price right now is a support channel. So we came back down, touched our support channel just below the 382 on the fib retracement at 00770, and now we're trying to push our way back up. Volume's low. We did have some good green candles to come in here that pushed us up in this resistance, but it wasn't quite enough to get us above this area up here, above the 0 at 00798, and push us above this descending channel that we in. You could say that right here sitting above us. I don't know what that line. I'm just going to remove it. I thought it was a channel I had drove out there, but it ain't. And what looks like we got forming here, it's like a upside down head and shoulder pattern that we could be, forming before going much higher. But what I wanted to bring to your attention over here on FLR, we on DeFi Llama. You can look this up. You go to defilllama.com. You can look at the TVL and many other things with FLR network. And total value locked in DeFi is 165.38 million. In the last 24 hours, it's pulled back 0.58%. When we get over here to TVL on FLR, it's been moving up. It's this blue right here, as you can see right there. And let's see if I can, right there. And it's from 2025, it's moved up and it's staying up pretty good above 12 billion FLR on TVL, total value locked. Okay, we got stablecoin market cap. It's setting up good on FLR. And right here we got the FLR price. This is the brown area right here. And I was sitting there looking. I said, TVL's looking really good. It's jumped up there. Stablecoin market cap's looking really good. And I got to keep searching. I said, there's something that has caused the price to pull back. And I seen it, the volume on FLR. you've had a lot of people to sell flare, pull out a flare, and that's just market settlement. I mean, we in a bear market. People took profits at higher prices, I'd say. And right now, that's the green candles here. And if you'll look, when volume picked up, let's say, right there's the brown. That's the price. The price of flare moving up and down. Well, I'm fixing to move this mouse, and you'll see how the green candles with the volume, flare volume, moves this price. As price comes in on flare, as volume increases, the price increases. So right now we have volume pulling way back on flare. Right here, volume was, let me see, volume is at 3.28 million flare. Well, right here where price run up, we have 430.19 million flare by volume. So as this price right here, token volume, as it pulls back, price pulls back. But far as TVL, stable coins, this market, flare is really set to rally if we can ever get flare volume to come back in here. And right now, you got a lot of people that's waiting on the sidelines to come back in and invest in flare. And when you see that happen, you're going to see the price of flare shoot up dramatically fast. It's going to move the price very rapid with flare. And that's what I wanted to bring to you, because TVL looks good. It's almost at right below. It's almost at the highest it's been. Stable coin. Let's see. Let's go back and see. You see here, this is the volume. This is in the last year. You see how volume shot up. Well, if you look right there, that brown right here, that's the price. Look how, as volume went up, price went up fast, went up good. So as volume decreased, price decreased. But the TVL, look where it's at in the blue. It's got on there 20.905 billion flare. Total value lock of flare. This is the price of the total value locked in DeFi. The sum of value of all coins held in smart contracts of all the protocols on the chain. So it sits at 165.38 million. So, and then you got stable coins. We rallied up, and then stable coins have started pulling back a little bit. But if we can get volume to come back in here, we will be doing really awesome, really good, really good. Because you can see, this is cumulative over the whole time period of flare. Flare volume has kept accumulating over time. You got TVL that's at all time, just about at all time highs. You got stablecoin market cap up very high, but you got the price setting down. Because in the last year, you've had volume to pull back some, flare volume. And that's what I was wanting to show you here on this. And this is really good for the price of FLR once the market gets turned around. So I'm gonna start investing in FLR. I don't have, I might have some FLR, but I'm gonna start investing in FLR. It's a good project. And I did, I think, I was gonna see what it was. I had asked Grok on FLR some new updates. Give me just a few minutes. And this is top recent news. Major tokenomics overhaul proposal. FIP.16 released April 10th, 2026. FLR proposed a huge governance change called FIR.16 that aims to make FLR much more sustainable. Cuts annual inflation by 40%, from 5% to 3%. Introduces protocol that level MEV capture to fund FLR buybacks and burns. Shifts FLR towards being deflationary as network activity grows. Better incentives for staking over delegation. And voting starts April the 17th through the 24th of 2026, just in a couple of days, probably about 4 or 5 more days. This is being called FLR 2.0 for token economics. BitThumb suspends FLR deposits / withdrawals April 8th. Major Korean exchange pause services ahead of a significant network upgrade. Ongoing ecosystem growth. Strong FXRP, which is wrapped XRP adoption. Over 90 million plus FXRP minute with hundreds of millions in TVL. New institutional partnership. Examples is Hex Trust for staking and FXRP mining. Plans to add Bitcoin support later in 2026. And this is the current price context that I just gave to you at the beginning of the video. FLR is trading around 0.0077. That's on the chart I just recent, showing consolidation after recent volatility. Market settlement. The FIP.16 proposal has generated a lot of bullish discussion in the community, with many seeing it as a major positive catalyst for FLR's long-term value. So that's what I wanted to bring you on FLR. If we could, we're probably going to pull back a little more, consolidate here and there, but once Bitcoin finally finds it bottoms out, wherever that might be, because a lot of these alts have pulled back a lot. Now, when I say a lot, there's some already pulled back to their previous bear market lows and have dropped below that. But I definitely do not know. Let me know how far. Right now, how far. This was back in 2023, and that's another thing I wanted to bring to your attention. Okay, we on the weekly chart right here, and I want to bring this to your attention. This was a bear market bottom in 2023 right here, just under 00827. We came down and we just below the zero right here. Well, now we have FLR's underneath that bear market low. And that's what I wanted to bring to your attention. We could see a much lower low, somewhere between 0.00726 or 25 down to 0.00649. If this bearish momentum continues on. So, cause we're fixing to see, probably more than likely this coming week, we're going to see Bitcoin pull back, and it could pull back down here on the daily chart back to $64,938. And that would, pull back, cause FLR to pull back also. I don't see a support level. Let me see if we got one. Well, it's at a support level right now, and that's what's so important. So if we lose this support level this week, that sits between the 382 and the half, we could be working our way back down here to the bottom of the trend of the retracement at 0.0725. And we'll keep you updated on that. And this is what we could do. We could just continue to consolidate, coming across here and get up between here and here, between resistance and support, and consolidate until we see another move on Bitcoin. Because FLR pretty much moves with Bitcoin. Most of these alts do pull with Bitcoin. They pull up or down, whichever way Bitcoin goes, these alts tend to follow. So, if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. I did want to come give you an update on FLR. Awesome project, highly connected to XRP. As far as, staking the XRP with FXRP, FLR, XRP. Awesome project they're doing over there, so go check them out. Do your own research before you invest. And if you like the content, share it, like it, subscribe to it. And if you want to see more updates on FLR, price action, what we see in the market, what it's going to do, you like the TA on it, let us know in the comments, and we'll be glad to add it to the list and start updating everybody on FLR Network. So, till next time, God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.